Hey everyone, my name's Joe. I've just been away at Amsterdam, loads of MVPs, loads of Microsoft people, getting to know everyone. It was awesome, loads of nice people there, hence the t-shirt. They were all basically telling me, Joe, you need to learn Flow. So I've got a name now, Flow Joe. I'm basically going to be looking at the Flow application to see what I can do without any prior knowledge to it. I mean, I don't know Power Apps, I don't know Power BI. I'm going to be learning all this stuff, and this is just a basic vlog that's going to show my progress, show what I'm learning, and hopefully it helps others too. And yeah, let's go. Okay, so I have landed on the home page, signed in. Work less, do more. Sounds great. I mean, who doesn't want that? So, we've got some stuff on the homepage. Let's have a look through that first. Feature template collections. 11 templates that make software development easier. That sounds great to me. 6 templates to simplify common classroom tasks. I mean, there was a lot of stuff here that you can get right into. You've got popular services, 233 in total at the time of making this. You have Facebook integration, Slack, Instagram. Looks great. So we've got multi-step flows and information about that. We have approved requests, adding conditions, a lot of information to help you get started straight away. So then we get onto the templates. Awesome. So we can save an Office 365 email attachments directly to OneDrive. If you're the kind of person like me that likes to delete all of their emails and make sure you've got a nice clean inbox, that could be great for you to make sure you don't lose any information. So then you've got the mobile app, which I've already got on my phone. I've already signed in, so I don't want to be sitting there downloading apps while I'm talking to you guys. So let's see what we can actually do. I don't actually want to just run a template. I'm going to actually create an actual flow from a template. Send a reminder to myself in 10 minutes. I'm going to do that one, but I'm not going to wait 10 minutes. Let's see if we can edit this. Okay, so send a reminder to myself in 10 minutes. It's a flow button for mobile. There's a delay and a notification. It has access to my notifications already because I've allowed that on my iPhone. So let's see how long it takes to create this flow. Okay, instantaneously. We already have it there. Let's have a look, see what's on my phone. I've already got a button. I'll also put it on the side so you can see it. Okay, so we've got an edit button. That's just what I wanted to see. We have the trigger, which is the button. We have the delay. We've got an integer field. Well, what's this? We've got dynamic content that we can actually add in. Awesome. I'm not going to do that at the moment. And then we've got a unit of measurement, so we can do seconds. So let's do a 5-second notification, and then it actually sends the push notification. And let's change the text to, let's send Flow Joe, because I'm just starting out and I want to send a notification to myself to see if it works. So send a reminder to myself in, let's say, 5 seconds. So let's save that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go back to my flows. See, I modified it 4 seconds ago. It's an instant type. So let's do this on my phone now. So I'm going to record the video on my phone. I'm going to show it on the side so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so I've got a big button that says send myself a reminder in 5 seconds. Exactly the same as the name on there. I'm going to press that. It's just loading. Let's see if I get my notification through. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam. There you go. Instant notification. Flow Joe. Perfect. So I had no idea about any of this stuff. I was speaking to some guys over the weekend. They were telling me Flow is great. You should really learn it. To really get into it. So I thought, you know what? It sounds good. I don't know if it's as good as what they're selling it to me, but I'm actually really impressed. I mean, within a couple of minutes I've already managed to create a little application on my phone that sends a notification. I've changed it. I've understood how it works. So let's continue down this path. Let's do another one. Okay, so let's do one that's a little more complicated. Let's just go to the second one. It's getting weather, so it's going to need to connect to something, an API call here and there. It's going to need my location. So let's go down with that one. So get today's weather forecast. We've got the flow button for mobile again. Awesome. I'll record the video on my phone and put it on the side again. It connects to MSN Weather and it needs access to my notifications, which it already has. So let's have a look then. We have already created our flow instantaneously again. Perfect. So we've got our manual trigger, and now we've got a condition statement. I'm assuming it's going to be like an if statement. Country/region is equal to United States, do something, if not, do something else. Yeah, so we've got an if-else statement basically. If the country is the United States, it's going to go get the forecast for the US and send a push notification. So I'm guessing that's going to get the location and actually, yeah, with the longitude and latitude, awesome, and then it's going to send it via imperial, whereas if it's not, we're going to go get the long and lat and send it via metric. So I'm based in the UK, so I'm expecting this to come back with metric. So let's go back to my flows. You can see that get today's weather name there, modified 2 seconds ago. Gonna get that up, see how fast it is on my mobile phone. It's already there instantaneously. Let me record the video again for you and I'll put it on the side. So I'm going to press that button now. Started. Bam, there you go. High of 12, low of 3, 0% chance of rain. Perfect. And that was that. I mean, within a couple of minutes I've made 2 buttons that one sends me a notification. I've modified that. I understood how it worked. It was easy to follow. I mean, the conditional structure to this thing is really easy to understand and really useful. I've then gone on and made an API call, basically. I'm assuming that's what it's doing in the background, to MSN Weather. It's passing in my long and lat from my phone, and it's then coming back with the correct system that I use in my country. And I've done that with a few clicks of my mouse. It's typed some stuff in and away I go. And I am really impressed with what you can actually do with this stuff. Well guys, that was it. I mean, I learned a lot, I had fun. I'm looking forward to doing the next one. It won't be so rough as this. I just wanted to get something out there because I've not done anything like this before. And I'm really looking forward to learning more about Flow and all of the other projects I'm going to be starting. So thanks everyone for recommending me to actually learn this, and see ya. Have a nice day.